What's up, everybody? How are you doing? I hope you're keeping safe. Welcome back to yet another interesting video. For those who are new here, my name is Thomas Tuo, an online content creator based in Nairobi, Kenya. And for those who are returning subscriber, well, welcome back once again. Without further ado, let's start our video. And I forgot to tell you guys, we are heading to a small hustle of mine. So I will take you along, guys. So yeah, Kenyan record, I will record. I'm not yet the type of person when you wanna record in public yet. So I'm like baby steps. I'm taking baby steps, okay? So bear it with me, guys, as I vlog small parts of my life. Once I get a good camera, because I want to stop using the phone camera. I want to use like the GoPro or the, yeah, that's what I want 2025. And kindly subscribe if you haven't. You'll really make me so happy and feel so literally motivated to do more videos for you guys. So yeah, click that subscription button. Let me go take a shower, then come back, drink tea, then head out.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you. I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
Guys, I love the oil. I really love this oil because it has many nutritional values, which I love it, and it's all purpose. You can put it to your hair, on your skin, on your face, like literally anywhere. So guys, I don't have the space to like take the entire shot, but I'll just keep take up a video ya kuonyesha the outfit of the day. But this is what I'm wearing today: this t-shirt, black shorts, and two pairs of socks, and a Crocs for the shoes. And yeah, that's about it. Let me gather my tools, then we go. So guys, I'm done. Yeah, that's it for today. I think I'll just record you the dinner part, then close the video. Guys, I'm cooking some cabbage for dinner. Nimeshapika waru hapa. Si waru. Ugali.
Young, and we didn't want to be exposed. Even though it was cold,